Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine, staying safe and healthy, and following every preventive steps against COVID-19. Today, we will study the lesson The Little Far Tree. As you see, this is the picture of a fir tree. As you see, its leaves are needle shaped. Fir trees are found through much of the North and Central America, Europe, Asia, and North Africa, occurring in mountains over most of the range. Fir trees are long lived. Fir leaves have a very waxy coating that helps save water during summer and winter. But before we go through the chapter, I would like to tell you a universal truth that all things in this world are bright and beautiful. They have their own value and importance. God is the creator of all things. He is kind and almighty. So, we must be contented with whatever we have, be it little or much. It absolutely makes no difference. We should evaluate ourselves. We should not underestimate ourselves. God has given us all the qualities we need for survival. We should not complain what we don't have, and we should not repent for what others have. In this very lesson, there was a fir tree. It was very little. As I told you, its leaves are needle shaped. So it was not contented, satisfied with its leaves. It always complained. It repented. The fir tree wished that its leaves should be like other trees, green, so that other birds should take shelter in it. So it always repented for what it had not. One day, it so happened that a magician, Seti, was returning home, when all of a sudden it began to rain. Seti was a magician. He was returning from somewhere. On his way, suddenly it started raining. It rained heavily. Seti looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. Seti wanted to take a shelter in order to prevent himself from getting wet. He looked around. He found a little fir tree. He went under it as fast as he could and took shelter under it. Soon the rain stopped. Seti was happy that he did not get wet. Very soon the rain stopped. Seti did not get wet. He was very happy. And he was thankful to the little fir tree because it saved him from getting wet. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes, and I will grant them, said the magician to the little fir tree. Seti was very thankful to the little fir tree. So he thanked him and said that he was very thankful to the little fir tree, and in return he wanted to give it something. He offered it 4 wishes and asked the fir tree for 4 wishes, and they would be granted. The sad fir tree had leaves like needles, and no birds ever made their nests on it. As I told you earlier, the fir tree always remained sad because its leaves were needle shaped, and no birds ever made nest on it. So it thought that this is the chance when I can fulfill my desire. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. So in its first wish, he wanted from the magician. He wished the magician should make all its leaves green like all other trees. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. The fir tree was very glad when he woke up early next in the morning. It found that all its leaves, instead of needle shaped, had become green. It was very glad. But suddenly, it so happened that a goat came along, and when the goat saw all the green leaves, it ate them up all. Oh dear, said the fir tree, I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. It became completely opposite what the fir tree had expected, because the goat ate all the green leaves. The fir tree became sad again. So for the next time, in his second wish, he wished that it had gold leaves instead of green leaves. He wished that all its leaves should be made of gold. What was the reason? What was his reason behind this?